Introducing the QCMF-1000 Torque Tester from Flexible Assembly Systems. Are you in need of an accurate and reliable tool to calibrate or verify the accuracy of your torque tools? Look no further than the QCMF-1000 Torque Tester. With its advanced features and affordable price, the QCMF-1000 is the perfect choice for professionals seeking precise and reliable torque measurements. The QCMF-1000 offers bidirectional use, allowing you to measure torque in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. It also features multiple measurement units, including lb, in, lb, ft, Newton meters, and cnm, making it versatile for use in various applications. With a 200% overload capacity, the QCMF-1000 can withstand even the most demanding testing conditions. The compact and lightweight design of the QCMF-1000 makes it easy to handle and transport, making it ideal for use in a variety of environments. Its user-friendly interface and large, easy-to-read display make it simple to operate, even for those who are new to torque testing. Invest in the QCMF-1000 Torque Tester today and experience the perfect combination of accuracy, affordability, and versatility. Trust in the QCMF-1000 to provide you with precise and reliable torque measurements time and time again. Visit flexibleassembly.com to learn more and to place your order today.